Imagine building a viral influencer who never eats, never sleeps, never complains, and doesn't even exist in real life. Sounds insane? It's 100% real. Today, I'm going to show you how creators are generating ultra-realistic AI influencers in second using APOB AI and how thousands are turning them into full-blown personal brand that works 24 by 7. If that sounds exciting, smash the like button and let's dive in. So first let's talk about what exactly is APOB AI. It is one of the most mind-blowing AI tools to hit the creator world, and over 900,000 influencers have been created it. And the best part, you don't need a camera, a studio, or even have to show your face. And here's something wild. Every day you get around 80 free credits to experiment, test and build your own digital personalities from scratch, as you can see in this particular video over here. But now let's go ahead and go to the dashboard. So it has got a very clean interface, and this is the community model. So these are the models that have been created by other people that is using APOB AI. And it looks really good. You can see this one over here. So you could be making all of that, and also you could be filtering it with video or maybe image and all of these features. So if you look at the image, you get a lot of images that has been created by APOB AI. But now let's go ahead and do that by ourselves. So you can click on create a portrait. So this is one of the most core feature, and either you could be uploading your reference image or you could be making an AI influencer with the generator. So the settings is over here. You can make it man, woman or secrecy, and the age, it goes all the way from 18 to over 90. And you have the country, you have the eyes, hairstyle, hair color, face shape, and the dimple beard and so on. So let's go ahead and click on randomize. It will give you random filters. So you just have to play around with it. You'll get a good prompt from here itself. So you can see this is country is Vietnam. And in case if you don't want the second country, you can just cut it. And the eye color is hazel, then textured brushback. I don't know what that means. And the hair color is white, and the face shape is long. And if you want to add a beard, you can add a beard. I've created woman with beard before. So let's go ahead and create this. It's going to cost you 10 credits. Every result looks insanely photorealistic, like a real person who just stepped out from a high-end fashion shoot. So I got an old grandma over here. So if you want to take this as the reference image, you can go ahead and take it. And again, if you want her to be like 18 years old, that's also possible. Maybe let's keep the hair color blonde, and let's go ahead and generate and see. So we got another image over here. This one looks really good. So this is how you play around with the filters, and you can select this image as your reference image. And let's say your model name is Lucy, and you can keep a description and you can create your image model now. So with Lucy, now you could be doing a lot of things, like if you want to change the art style, you could be doing that. Or if you want to change the clothing like a casual or swimwear or overcoat, you could be doing that. And the architecture, that's also something you could be doing. And you can change the landscape, you can change the weather. So there are a lot of things you could be doing. And the quantity, you can keep it 1 or 2. And the ratio, you have got a lot of ratios here. And there is also qualities over here. It's going to cost around 46 credits for this ultra one. So the first one is going to cost you 10 credits per 4 image, and this is going to cost you 20 credits for 4 images. So let's go with that because I don't have much credit. So let's see, let's just choose something random. Let's see realistic, and let's see, it's a formal one. Okay, let's cut this. Maybe let's keep it vacation, a swimming pool, and let's see, it's a clip vibe, and it's a sunny day, and you can just go ahead and generate it. It's going to cost you 20 credits. So as you can see, our model has been generated in two different forms. Now, if there is anything you like, maybe if you like this one, and if you want to maybe make it as your YouTube banner or Instagram story or even print ads, there's a build feature called Upscaler Boost, which boosts the image quality without losing its sharpness. So every pixel stays clean, crisp, and even at a post size. So it's going to cost you around 24 credits. I'm not going to do that. So you can upscale your image as well. And then you have the image to video motion. So this is one of the cool feature. You select one of the content and you can click to upload. You can upload one of these generation, and you can type in a prompt. You can basically tell it a description and it's basically going to do. So let me just show you what I'm talking about. So if you scroll down over here, you can see the community content, and if you click on the video section, you can see a bunch of videos that have been created. So I think this one is popular. So as you can see, this is the prompt that has been given for this particular image, and this is what it has come up with. So in case if you are out of ideas or if you don't know how to type in the prompt, you can either come to other community people that have made this prompt, or you can just go to ChatGPT and do it. Now let's look at something else as well. Maybe let's see this one. So again, for the prompt, you could be going ahead with this. And now maybe let's see this one. Okay, so this is just a simple prompt and still it looks really good. It just says head to toe and zoom in on her feet. So the video is actually looking really good. And like that, you could be easily making all of these AI influencer with the same model over and over again. So like Atiana, you could be easily replicating it. You just saw how good quality the videos were. So in order to make a picture like this, you can say she's in front of a Buddha temple or something like that. And you could be getting a model very easily. So if you ever wanted to skip the camera, skip the stress, and still build a viral brand using APOB AI, this is the tool. And you get around 80 free credits every day. That helps you to test things out, but obviously you will have to go to the pricing. And you can build your first AI influencer today itself. And make sure you click the link in the description in order to access APOB AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.